Hello, welcome to the next video in JavaScript, and today we are going to study JavaScript pop-up boxes. In JavaScript, pop-up boxes are used to display the messages or notifications to the user. There are three types of pop-up boxes in JavaScript, namely alert, confirm, and prompt. These are used to display some messages to the user or to collect some data from the user. And these pop-up boxes are also known as dialog boxes. The first pop-up box is alert box. Alert box is often used if the user want to make sure information comes from through the user. When an alert box pop-ups, the user will have to click OK to proceed. It's used when a warning message is need to be produced. When an alert box is displayed, the user needs to press OK. The syntax of the alert box is window.alert, then we can write some text. The window.alert method can be written without the window prefix also. We can simply use the alert and the text in the double quotes. Okay, this is alert box. Next is confirm box. Next pop-up box is prompt box. Prompt box is often used if you want the user to input a value before entering a page. If you want to collect some data, the number of like name of a student, or the value of n, then we can use a prompt box. It's used to collect input value from the user. Okay, when a prompt box pop-ups, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed after entering the input value. We can enter the input value and we want to press either OK or cancel to proceed to the next stage. If the user clicks OK, the box returns the input value. If the user clicks cancel, the box returns a null value. This is the method. This is the working of the prompt box. The syntax is prompt title, then default value. This is a variable that used to collect the data from the prompt box. Okay. Next is confirm box. Confirm box is often used if we want the user to verify or accept something. When a confirm box pop-ups, the user will have to click either OK or cancel to proceed. If the user clicks OK, it returns a true value. If the user clicks cancel, the box returns a false value. Okay, there will be two buttons in the confirm box. We can press either OK or cancel. If we click OK, it will return a true value, and if we click cancel, it will return a false value. And the programs, we can accept the data, and the programs can be designed like depending on the value of the confirm box. The syntax is confirm, then some text. Okay, these are the different pop-up boxes that are used in the JavaScript. And let me explain this boxes with the help of program. For that, let me open the programs that I already written. Okay, this is a program that used to display an alert box. HTML, then I enter the script in the body section. Script type text JavaScript, then alert. I am an alert box. This is the symbol statement. This is a symbol code to display an alert box. Okay, after saving this, we can run this program and it will be like this: alert. And there is a pop-up box here. I am an alert box, and you can press OK. This is alert box. Okay. Next is prompt box. For the prompt box, we can use this HTML head and the same thing is there, and script is JavaScript, and we are using a variable variable declaration name, and equal to prompt, please enter your name. Okay, this is the string that we want to display in the prompt box. And okay, and name, there is an option to write name, and I already said if we enter a data, then it will return a value. If name not null means we enter something. If name not null and name not equal to space, if both this condition satisfied, then there is a name in the prompt box. Okay, the user type a name in the user box, prompt box. Okay, and document.write is used to display something in the document. Okay, document.write, then here I am using hello, then plus name, plus. This is used to display something in the JavaScript program. This is our prompt box. Okay, here we are using script, JavaScript, and a variable name is declared, and prompt box is used to enter name. Please enter your name is the string that will be displayed in the prompt box, and if we type a name, it will check here. If name is not null and name is not equal to space, means there is a name, there is a string in the variable name. Okay, and that will display it using document.write. Okay, let me show the output. This is our prompt box. Please enter your name. This is the string that we given in the syntax, and I can write a name. Here I am writing. Okay, now we can press either OK or cancel. If we press cancel, it returns a null value. And if we write a value, if we write something, a name, I'm typing Anisha. Okay, then if we press OK, that will display here. Hello Anisha, how are you today? That is from here. Hello is there, then plus is used as a concatenation operator, and we are using name, that is the variable we declared here, and again we use a plus as a concatenation operator. In the double quotes we are typing how are you, that is concatenated with this name. Okay, that is the reason for that output. This is the second box that we explain. Third one is confirm box. Next is confirm. And for confirm box, we are using a variable var as confirm. Press a button. It will have two buttons, OK and cancel. If we type OK, it will return a true, and if we type press cancel, it will return a false. This is the working of this confirm box. If R is equal to true means we are pressing a OK button. Then alert you pressed OK. This is the simple if syntax. And if we press cancel, it will display you pressed a cancel button. This is a simple code that I used to explain the function, the working only. Okay, let me look the output. This is the output of the confirm box. This page says press a button, and we can press OK. If we press OK, then you pressed OK, because while pressing OK, it will return a true value, and in the code we are checking whether the value is true or false. That is, here we are checking the value if R is equal to true. If we are pressing OK, it will return a true value, and we are checking if R is equal to true, then you pressed OK. Else, if we press cancel, it will display you pressed cancel. Okay, this is the working of confirm box. Okay, today we studied 3 types of pop-up boxes. 3 types of pop-up boxes: confirm box, alert box, and prompt box. I think you can write codes like this, and you can practice this type of pop-up boxes. Okay, thank you.